Waldbauer, Assistant Fixed Op Manager at Lacombe Quick Lane. I'm here with Allan Hutchison in the Quick Lane today. We got our employee pricing event on shocks, brakes, and struts going on right now. And Allan here is going to take us through a few tips on those things.
So these vehicles here, everyone has front and rear shocks. We recommend replacing them from 80,000 to 100,000 kilometers. Signs you'll have is either you get a spongy ride, or tires. The worst part is they'll start cupping because the shock's weak and the tire's bouncing down the road, and then it's going to wear out tires.
All right, Allan, and some tips on brakes for our customers?
Well, I think everybody understands brakes and how they work roughly, and the main causes you will hear is either squealing, vibration, and either vibration in the pedal when you're coming off the highway to a stop, or worse comes to worse, you'll get it in the pedal or the steering wheel. And roughly, well, you don't want that to happen, so we have come in when you want, or if you have any kind of concern, or even on your regular oil changes, we'll take a quick look. No appointment necessary here, and gladly to help you.
Perfect, thanks Allan. And yeah, we have our employee pricing event on brakes and shocks and struts, so come on down, take a look and see what you need.